Hi there, I'm inside my Toyota 2020 Rav4. It's a right-hand drive, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the clock. So just go to this middle screen, this GPS screen, and there on the right-hand side, you've got second from the top, you've got the menu button. So just press on the menu button, and then down and select Setup down the bottom. Yes, and then up the top is Clock. Click on Clock, and then you've got 4 options, and you can see there that I press Daylight Savings on, it changes the time, off, it comes off, and then you've also got Auto Adjust by GPS, 24-hour time format, and you can change your time zone as well. And when you're happy with the time on your clock, then just press the home button in the top right hand corner. Press that button, and that takes you back to the main home screen with your GPS. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.